Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you this lithium battery I put in my bike. This is the battery with the part number down there on the bottom, and it fits in there really nice. I used 3 of these dense foam pieces that come with the battery to make up for the difference in height. This battery weighs basically nothing, so you save a little weight there, but fits in there nice. And the terminals line up and everything, so, well, obviously after you stack it up there, but another nice thing is you can actually use a regular battery charger on it. 2 conditions though. It can't have a pulse charge, and it cannot have a desulfate or equalize cycle on it. So you can use a regular battery charger under those 2 conditions. And I just wanted to let everybody know that's what I put in there, that part number, and it fits really snugly actually. So somewhere down the road I'll do a review video on how it's doing, longevity, that sort of thing. My factory battery, which was built in 2012, finally died on me, so that's 8 years the factory one lasted. So I don't have those kind of hopes for this battery, but it should last pretty well, so we'll see how it goes.